welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another vlog for you guys. I literally look a mess, but I hope after this, you know, the whole cooking that I'll be doing today and everything, I will look cute. Okay, so today is my friend's birthday, and I decided that I was going to do a vlog. Like, I was meant to wake up early, but I was so tired because like I haven't slept properly. You guys can see from my eyes I'm tired and I look a mess, but obviously you guys have to see me looking cute and you guys have to see me looking a mess. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking. I went food shopping already, so I'm gonna start, you know, preparing everything, and I'm gonna show you guys like the end product, or maybe in between when I'm cooking and when I'm getting ready, or after I finish getting ready. And then I'm obviously gonna do like the vlog at the party. So, well, it's not really a party, it's more like a get together girls games night. So I just thought, let me just do a vlog for you guys because I feel like it's going to be fun and cute. So so I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing everything now, and I'll show you guys either in between or at the end. Okay guys, so basically for the jollof rice that I'm making, I'll be using onions. I've got 3 onions here. I've got fresh tomatoes, I've got scotch bonnet, and I've got big red peppers. I've got chopped tomatoes here, and I've also got tomato puree, and I've got oil here. So these are the things. Sorry, driver. Sorry.
I don't want to be in your vlog because I'm a celeb.
Guess who just got here?
Late as usual.
Guys, you know I had to cook.
What is this one doing?
So guys, literally I just got here and I was the last one to get here.
Yeah, she was the last one to arrive.
That's because I had to cook. I had to do my makeup. Look at her. She don't like to be on camera, but it's okay. We'll catch her. We'll catch you.
It's okay, it's okay.
But yeah, so I literally had to cook, and then I had to do my hair and my makeup. Oh my gosh.
Braidsbykadz. Follow her on Instagram, guys. YouTube as well. Period.
Guys, this place is such a nice place. Like, I don't think you understand. Are they here? Oh my gosh, guess who's here?
The birthday girl.
I'm doing a vlog, you know that, right?
Hey.
This is the birthday girl, guys. This is my sister. And this is my other sis. Mwah. Okay, don't finish my makeup.
Savannah is going to make cocktails. You brought a whole...
Oh, you brought the thing? Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm going to go in and show you guys the food. Yeah, you can. I think we can serve them. We can serve them.
Can people not?
We can do the serving. Okay, guys. They can or we can serve them. We can put for them. They eat
Can you imagine she's making me record?
She's still gonna end it, right?
Yeah. So let me go as mine as well.
To be honest, I think the chicken is loud enough.
Sorry, I'm thinking for Kadi's YouTube. So guys, this is the food that Kadi made.
I mean, it depends on where. If I was in, let me get.
I feel like I'm so close. Hold on. I think it's the heat, not heater, the girls. Get late already. Start drinking. Do shots. Now with your booty bounce.
I'm ready. You know me.
Hello? Nothing. Wait, 1 second. I'm just helping out with something. Give me like 2 minutes. Okay, bye.
Who wants to drink?
Yeah. Okay. Right. I don't have ice, but okay.
There's no ice though.
That's fine.
We forgot to buy ice. Me, I'm drinking today. I don't know what to make. What are you doing now? Yeah. He's young. He's younger than he was like 40 now.
In love with your booty bounce.
She's going to be drinking for the second time in her life, okay? Second? Yeah, she's never drank. Hey! 3, 2, 1, go! Yep. My kids. Let me burn you. Today don't try. Go, Sam. Yep. Drunkard. Eh.
4, 5, 6 figures. Rocks on my legs, so he call his pussy Tigger. Talking on this feminine ass rich.
Hey.
Come on.
Act up, you can get stashed up. Act up, you can get stashed up.
Lucy, one day bounce can video. Are you ready?
I shock you back up. Bad boy Thames in the building. Spiritual ginger.
Lucy, dear, look at my mom. Who allowed her to play this game? Get the alcohol for her. Get the alcohol.
Lord have mercy.
Today was so fun, so I'm just on my way home now. So we're basically getting a cab home, so I'm just gonna go home. I think I still look cute. I'm so sad because I can't find my tracksuit. I don't know where I put my tracksuit that I came with. My God.